You think we could go up and down quick? Awesome. Oh, look at that.
You good, Salvador?
Kimball Brothers. Thank you for this.
Can we go all the way up?
Sure. Yeah.
Right here, and then we go. Let's go another one up there.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
That's very small. You need me to open it or not?
If you want to, up. Nah, it's okay. We don't need to open it. That's neat. You can go down. Is the machine thing down here?
For the car
Like, yeah, like the motor.
Here.
Would I be able to take a picture of that? Oh, it's right there. Oh, I thought it was in the basement. Interesting. Red flags. Mm-hmm. He's gonna let me take a quick picture of the motor.
Oh, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Around over
Oh,
there.
it's the other way.
I think so. It's
Will do. Tight squeeze. Oh wow. Where's the light? I guess there we go. Thank you. Oh whoa. That's there's a Westinghouse motor. Very neat. Let's see if it's this. That's awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you.